Hi there, students. Nimbus, a countable noun. Notice the plural, either nimbuses or nimbi. Nimbus, a singular noun ending in s, nimbi. Okay, we use nimbus in two different ways. Firstly, with the weather, this is talking about a grey rain cloud. There's definitely a type of cloud called cumulonimbus, which is high up in the sky, but a nimbus, a grey rain cloud, that's fairly technical and I don't think people normally use it. The other meaning of a nimbus, it's like a halo, a circle of light around somebody, an aura, if you like, something that shines around this person. So you can use this word to say that there's something has a special meaning to it. It's like it's treated reverently. So, for example, people talk about him as if he had a nimbus. Okay, this subject is treated with an atmosphere of romance. Yeah, it's like it has a nimbus to it. Okay, so I think maybe enlightenment and becoming enlightened, as the Buddhists say. This is when you become enlightened, you have a nimbus around your head, or the subject of enlightenment seems to carry its own nimbus. So it's air, it's ambience, it's atmosphere, it's aura. Yeah, it's a halo. Yeah, it's vibration, it's vibe. Okay, so yeah, the top footballers are treated as if they had nimbuses or nimbi. Yeah, they are treated as if they are gods. I think technically a nimbus is the light that surrounds a deity or a demigod on earth. Yeah, if you see some of these old icons or religious paintings, you'll see like this gold light around their head. Yeah, and this is a nimbus. Let's see. I think a halo is an open ring of light, whereas the nimbus is like a full solid disc of light or gold over their head. I think that's a technical difference. But okay, so yeah, everyone treats him as if he had a nimbus. Yeah, this subject is treated as though it came with a nimbus. I think you can also have an adjective, nimbed. Yeah, Nimbed. Yeah, this seems to be a nimbed subject, something that is treated with reverence and thought of as a very romantic thing. So, yeah, in artistic circles, he is nimbed and treated as if he were a god. Okay, and that's the idea. Okay, so a nimbus. Nimbus is talking about a cloud, cumulonimbus. You might have heard of this. Yeah, there is a nimbus cloud permanently over his head. But that's the opposite of to actually have a nimbus. But I think probably with the cloud you need to explain a bit more. Okay, so a nimbus. Yeah, he was surrounded by a nimbus of sunlight. Yeah. Okay, so I think this in this case, yeah, it's like the sun comes up and shines directly on him. Yeah, it's some sort of aura or glow. This subject seems to have a special nimbus to it. Yeah, yeah. This chef is very famous, and it seems like there is a nimbus over every dish that he cooks. So, formality, let's see, this is really pretty literary. I think I'm probably going to give it a 6.5, maybe even a 7. Let's see, you use it in a semi-formal writing in your exams. Yeah, I think informally an aura or an atmosphere or a vibe, something like that. So yeah, try using it in a semi-formal exam writing to say that something people treat something specially. They treat it romantically. They think it's just something that's incredible. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin nimbus, which means a dark cloud. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Nimbus.